Hi, my name is Mercy Gonzalez, and today I'll be teaching on calligraphy and efficient note-taking. By the end of this video, Ms. Davison's students will be able to write in calligraphy and how to take efficient notes by using different materials and stationery. Practicing different brush strokes. Writing with a steady hand and providing tips on how to improve note-taking. Here I am using the Tombow Dual Brush Pen in the color 620. On one end of the pen it has a felt brush tip and the other end has a normal marker. Because the pen has a brush tip, you have to hold it in a slanted way rather than upright when you are writing with a pencil. With a steady hand, what you want to do is use less pressure on your upstroke and more pressure on the downstroke. This will make it so that your upstrokes are thin and your downstrokes are thick. You want to make sure you are not using the tip perpendicular to the paper, but kind of at a diagonal so that you have more control of the motions. What I would recommend is to practice writing the whole alphabet, and this is also how you'll find your stylistic preference because there are many different ways you can do to write each letter.
What this is saying then is,
once you feel you are prepared, you can start writing words and this will feel easier because all of the letters will all seem to seamlessly connect. Also remember to keep at a steady pace, don't go too fast or too slow when writing in calligraphy, and remember to keep practicing.
That doesn't mean to say that you're not doing it. Equally, you don't know.
Exercises such as practicing the different brush strokes will help you to improve in your calligraphy.
Constellates the constellation and galactifies the galaxies. You don't know.
Now moving on how to take efficient
that doesn't
notes.
mean to say
I like to start off by showing examples of the type of notes I took in AP World History, which were normal bulleted notes, but they did help to study, and I will show you and give you tips on what I do. To stay organized with my materials, I purchased this Lihit Lab pencil case off of Amazon, and it helps me to stay organized with all of the stationery that I have. Tip number 1, have a notebook and a variety of supplies with you when you take notes. I prefer to keep my notes color-coded and also have a color scheme, as you can see by the pink and gray. If your text contains an important term, write it in a different color. Also include an explanation of the important term and give examples of it. Using abbreviations for words and symbols can make your note-taking easier and more efficient. When you are taking notes, summarize what you read in your own words. This helps to put the information you are studying in a way you can easily understand. Draw diagrams, symbols, and illustrations to help you remember the information you study. Put a header at the top of all your notes and write subheadings for every topic. And lastly, remember to keep your notes neat and organized.